Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today we're going to install a Moen SIP water filter. I've been wanting to do it on my kitchen sink for a while, and what no better time than the present. We have a water filter in the refrigerator, which you have to open the door, put the bottle in. So I decided to go Moen SIP on the cold side of the kitchen sink, so it's nice and easy without drilling no holes in the counter. A no-brainer. Check it out, folks. We'll see you inside. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade, who are obviously not here today. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. Here's the culprit. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a kitty cat. She's my little helper. So, as you see, this is my place. And we don't want to drill a hole in the stone for the big time filter. So, we're going to go cheat. We're going to put the Moen SIP over here on the side. Okay, we're going with the Moen S5500 SIP. Ball bracket. Connectors for the filter. They even give you screws for the cabinet. Couple connectors, and of course, the most important part, the Moen filter. Filter number 9600 choice flow. We're going to intercept the cold into the filter and then come back into the supply of the lavatory. Check that onto the kitchen walls. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to mount this filter right here in the back, 12 inches off the cabinet floor is the minimum. There we go, just like so. Now things are a little complicated here because I have a country style sink. Okay, now, so I just gotta turn this water off, the cold. Okay, break out my 5/8 wrench. Okay, get a little bucket in case I get a little bit of water. Here's a couple rags. Miss Marcy gonna yell at me if I get water on her cabinet. I'm not gonna tell you. Alright, here's the cold. Boom. As you see, the top filter feeds. The filter is fed from the side. show you once I get this connection going. Okay, that's the feed coming in. And it'd be really nice if Moen would give you some hoses like they have on this, on the filter. I don't know why they don't, because the plastic is a little tough to work with. So this feeds the filter. Okay. And of course, I'm going to need a 3/8 compression coupling because I cannot take, I don't think I can now. Alright, so I need a special adapter to go from 3/8 female to 3/8 female. So let me go check the truck. Alright folks, now you know, of course I didn't have it. I had to go to the hardware store and get it. A 3/8 compression coupling. I'm going to rob the 2 nut and furrows off of it because I don't need them. And connect my 2 supplies, which if you have a couple Moen faucets, you're going to need this compression coupling from the hardware store. Pretty simple fix. I'm not even going to try and fight this plastic tube because I'll be honest with you, it's really rigid. It really is. And let's bring this over here like so. I think I'll do it over here only because I've had problems with my pull-up faucet. There's so much crap under here that I'll show you. This weight gets caught up in here on the sink and all the drain pipes, and so I'm going to bring that supply on this side, which is looks like crap, but I'm going to keep it out of the way of the counterweight for this pull-out spout. So now I got to tell you, my 2 sons, you know what today is, right, everybody? It's supposed to be St. Patty Parade Day, all that happy horse stuff, which I don't go to anyway, but them guys ain't slowing down. They're having a good time today, and I don't blame them. Alright, let's get this tightened up and alright, nice and tight. I gotta tell you folks, that was quite the friggin' wrestling match, and don't let it think it was easy. I'm gonna tell you something, it was really friggin' hard. We got no leaks. It's filling up right now. Leave the faucet out. She's filling up. Cold now. Now, we've been thinking that maybe we can't put this on a regular faucet. And this goes to a special little side outlet faucet. I find that hard to believe though. And of course, Moen's closed today. This is Saturday and a little home project's not going too well. I'm a little pissed off right now. I'm gonna take it apart here and put it in a bucket, make sure it's not. I know it's the filter. I don't know why I'm even doing this. No.
Are you going to leave it under there and just hook it up right away so you can talk to Phil?
No. That's the pressure right there. It's got to be for a special faucet, is what I'm thinking. Yeah, but... No, I'm not going to fill it home. Facebook message them. It has to be for the special faucet. Has to be. You know? Oh, Lord. So you want it hooked up or not? Let's try it, see how we like it. In the meantime, we'll use it for a couple days. And then if not, I'm telling you right now, we're going to be drilling the hole in the cabinet.
No.
Come on, let's drill the hole in the stone top.
No. No.
This is why I'm doing this type filter. How about we do a whole house filter?
Alright.
Then the whole house won't have it. Oh, man. What? To me, it was a simple fix, man. I put them in before. They were talking about this Moen sip, and I'm like, oh yeah, let's do it. I really didn't even think about it, to be honest with you. I was like, how simple can it be? It's so simple, it doesn't work. Now, is the filter maybe bad? That could be. So I actually had some lines do that before. Do we bought 2 of these?
Yeah.
I'm not going to open the other one, dude. No way. Huh? Nah, I'm not going to do that to him. Can you work with this over the weekend?
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Did you read the thing? Did you read the instructions, Chuck?
Of course I didn't. Right, Marcy's on the case. We will get back to you after this one. Okay. Evidently, I put the wrong filter on the kitchen faucet. That filter is just for a sip faucet. We read the instructions. So it's going to cost me some time, and not knowing my products cost me. I take full responsibility. Miss Marcy, she's not too happy, but we're still going to use it over the weekend. Maybe I'll get lucky. A filter will be able to go in there that's actually for that size faucet, which I believe is a 1.0 gallon per minute. And all I can say out there, know your product. I didn't know mine, so guess what? Miss Marcy not happy. And the only reason I did it, the only reason I put that filter in was I fill up all these water bottles instead of buying plastic bottles. I was like, oh, let me throw a filter on the kitchen sink faucet, boom, we'll be done. And that particular filter, super easy to hook up, not the correct filter. And no one's available on the Saturday, so we don't even know for sure. Just got the green light from Miss Marcy, which we know is not right. We were trying to eliminate this. Open the refrigerator, and even that has good pressure. More pressure than that over there. So that was my thought on installing this faucet filter, and that pressure is terrible. So obviously I put the wrong filter on, but Marcy's still happy that she doesn't have to stand there in the refrigerator spilling water everywhere, which there's definitely a better filter out there. If you guys know any filters out there that you can put under the sink, in line on your kitchen faucet, let me know in the comments below. One step forward, 2 steps back for me today. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you at the next one.